Hello everyone, I am Manisha Rani and welcome to Orange Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a quick meal under 30 minutes. So let's get started. For the bhindi fry, we will require 15 bhindi cut lengthwise into 4 pieces, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, salt as required, quarter teaspoon of dried mango powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of haldi powder. For preparing dal, we will require 1 cup of dal washed and soaked in water, 1 onion cut into slices, 1 tomato cut into medium sized pieces, 1 green chili, 10 to 12 curry leaves. For tempering, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds and half teaspoon hing. Let's start making bhindi fry. We will add the flour and spices into bhindi and mix well. There is no need to add water. In hot oil, add the bhindi mixture. Make sure oil is hot and do not overcrowd the oil. Depending on the oil quantity, you will have to divide the bhindi into batches. Once the bhindi gets a golden color, take out. Now let's start making dal. In a pressure cooker, add the soaked dal, tomatoes, onions, green chili, haldi powder and salt. Add 4 cups of water and cook the dal for about 3 whistles on a medium flame. Since the dal is now cooked well, let's start with the tempering. In a tempering pan, I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and hing. And once the seeds pop, add the curry leaves. Add this tempering to the dal. Let the dal now come to a boil. Here you can adjust the consistency of your dal and also check the salt. Serve the hot dal and crispy fried bhindi with steamed rice, pickle and papad. For the detailed recipe, visit my blog ourorangekitchen.com. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your friends and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.